So far, tell me about Akontomra.
That's mean Kayesu. I mean, say I can the first time I knew me, yes, yeah.
I see.
The name say Bia, Yatimachi shall Babimuna, then Kai there. But yes, she program no. Name say Mr. Kana, yeah, host on so there be Nadia. But you never come ha. Until I try to picture the person now in the ABC. But we are not in Hunipa. Until say me rush studio.
I see.
Adeakyia, why am I me fake say the Sahia who be promote na that station we director kura oda no me share den share no one and one that
I see.
Then so we can be a why me papa throughout my elections in the media space Liberty FM.
Oh wow.
Genesis me be na me say kwan bia so
me boss oni ha
so matese oni ha in say maba ha nkwan de obati menka.
Oh yeah.
And I have
to no hwe won so
have to also spend some time na mashiano fabi obi ayankopon hira no
odase
na asan acha na no pai
seda ya nyame
me ba radio no sisi na me kwa na wona wo ma asase omo a wo nkuru omo ena ebo aboso ginaye ehwe make sure say kuro bia empuntuo bekoso ba ni sei na mani kan amfa anidi ama wo mo wa kontom na meye aye say me yedwe kakra ntia no pai mfa enchiama sahwi ahemfo most especially yankasa ye nana atachibu mankama ana babi awo bia no pai mechia achia me kuruma akontom na hene na isanse hene so machia me aburo ni hia hene machia nzawora na bopa nim se wati se mabahi se na fidie no te ho tem yo se babi obedu bia make sure se mikro no kan put se ma ka ona good morning na fa ka bla hene wan sempo hene sika na sem betena se kofi kurumu asante kurum ase kurum enne adodo for ahemfo kusase for ahemfo mo akontomra constituency no omo ene kura yemu ama ababesine ene imam with all the titles protocols bia my reserve no imam na achia no pay emam official pa and this yeto abanu ye no aha na me beba mu dawuru hapana every week bia na menya one day wa do the last weeks no krampo dem say na me back twice na me fa minua na tibongo kra nsi he was the host who ye no na makodi akiri baabi nti na ma say meko ne yire ho na abusua ho ya na me mpa asoma bi ne mabu ho aye nsoma ne mabu ho say wan kasa woko nti menim this year kasa we have to spend some time and go to them na yenso once na we ni hwe kwampo a sebe obusani se na niema bi ese ne fata no na ye nyina so ayaye eno nti na ti bongo yire ne na busua ma won ya akọ mrepa mu no obehu ono abopa yesu kwamen kwa eno nti kan ise wi a usa akontom na ye mansin bi a yenya no 2004 na ye ni yo so nyina ebom kai se yenya akontom constituency na me kira de wa akontom secondary school nti minim everything we are our akontom and lucky for me misanso enya akwanya bidi the member of parliament Ira Herod Kobna in fact akontom is the most experienced politician both their rank and file our akontom whether MPP or MP is the most experienced politician and opai Ira good morning na mansanso enchia Ira Paul Ivansedu his excellency president appointed no na okwakosi na nem ewo tekino ono so na mani good morning anopai don't you
that issue I think there has been a change.
Yeah. we are struggling. We are doing everything possible, but some ambassador no there. We are there.
In Sabeka. Yes.
That one there. Can assure everybody.
Because I read say there has been a change from Turkey to a different country. Yes. But just on any other country no corner. But the Turkey has been changed. Yeah. But
the issue of say ambassadorial position there, we are there. And the first of it kind of Western of Asante Sefini, I represent Ghana man as an ambassador. But also me channel. Until 2004, me akwenye di Euro Hero Kobnechi. Na metima akase satan. Na Kontomna constituency no. Na you also mo de hono aye more or less na mpuntu a wo you also area no. Na no was so chen ye ho. Enti ya winning about 2005 no. Na nsem a wa Kontomna no. Na emu du. Na ade ba ko amwa ye kese ne say 2004 Eura Herod ne Abia Kubi ene prayer ba me wofa Honorable Abia Kubi na yeto aba ni wie no na Herod adi nkuma akoye
Honorable Abia Kubi obeye MC or you
sure. Wofa na Herod aye MP lucky for us ye ko point DC no na no so Abia Kubi so akoye DC it is kana akoye to say this time no Liberty FM to my boom na ya chire we also for say what the aba but what did not adia moye kese ne say omba no there was a whole lot of misunderstanding between the two of them na free baby free onene na musa enunti NDC nya kwanya about 2008 ya winning about from 2009 to 2016 obi ehun puntu ayeye between 2005 to 2008 and President Kofi was on Ombuyansu hu de e course and until from 2017 aban science sign amane omusu be try 8 years and also obi ahu de ye den e course and na Nyankopon enya adom akontomna city e NDC e can crack yourself say offer the database of electricity wa akontomna about 65% of the population you work on to aba NDC but misunderstanding na ye kwoko to aba na mago post na ye den na asesa and na ade bi e fe no peddling of lies falsehood among ye yankasa ye nkrofo udi agro na nkrofo set agenda ye den na e de amount na edidi musa nso obusa akontomra by constituency wise no say yenya 20 years because from 2004 to 2024 is
almost 21.
Yes, and until me babe to also from the 20 years no to but minim baby a minimum akontomla eti em kata mani kura kurobia inyamwa bia no yankasa minim. That is the reason why I've sworn it to myself say adie bi a menye wo kurobi so no me ko gina baby nka metimi akasa akontomla anka me baaye kayasu me di 5 months o baaye akontomla ma ye ko tafra akontomla e koda de so se wunim ho
dabi
obi o wa bobiom se obete
but what kind of callers now
akontomla krom ho fo ne de
callers ne meji wo mudi
akontomla krom ho fo no omunim se asema pa yesto wo ka no oboa iti abatu odu so a omde ho akatu abe de ebe ma eno bi na si 2024 na microphone to wo ase no
I see
because you want to paint akontomna say akontomna de any problem bia ba ye titi nkuro ni so no obi anim say you problem anti me mava no I've swear it to myself hwe ade bi a wase kuro bi so anti me amwa na wase me ko kopa o mo che say me 4 years mo de man anti me amwa no I will go and tell them ba metana liberty ya na ngo kan che ngo say oh mo ko aka kuro mo ko hwe na masisi aka kuro masi abodosan wo akakofo na tia so mo befu because but still no you get people to support it and that is where I end the akontomna into the situation we find ourselves in now.
How now we be addressing that?
Obefa niema no one no I will tell you some of those things na me to me remedy measures kakra me so me dey ba no na me dey aba because eniema ni bi wo ha master
You better delve into that.
But Wakana one can hear.
No
problem. True and no sibony. Now means so politics of attack. I don't do it. That is why Obi Amintia Koyasu a mini. Instead of saying, oh, you bring a message, Papa Cafe, they were attacking me. And the people were also embracing my message because they know Pius is truthful. And I will begin to be truthful to everybody, irrespective of the kind of person and because you'll be judged according to one casa name me before.
But that's it. Parliament to say.
Fantastic. Parliament is an institution of its own. Obeso ye kofini abe kofini. Obeso even on the floor. Cry academic institution of itself.
Meaning you enjoy being there.
And when you are there and you humble yourself, you don't go there and carry who show that say, there are professors there, but they still learn. They will only cry master's degree, they will still learn. There were PhD holders, they still learn. And so when you go there and you decide to be there, you learn from both sides of the house. And the place is very, very fantastic. Parliament, you're going to talk about boom full rough. Or say we will be more accommodating. At the same way, university. So, we tonight university campus 4 years now. Called Parliament now. We be can't say nothing. Who say before? And I just say one co university via baby our choir and now a one baby kakra. One is the university campus. Want to say when you know how to control your temper, then you are the more. That's where Parliament is, and the place is very nice. That is where in Ghana ha. You should be in answer here then. Anything when you go to Parliament, an institution of its own, a very fantastic place, lobbying to get something for your constituency. I don't know because anything the executive introduce to Biano, it will come to Parliament. Without parliamentary approval, the executive cannot do anything. For toi, and there, you be see a die, you be too sure, you be car quite. Young qua. You be a quite to say, we are for unquire. Yan day. Almost, you see, a quire for unquire. Ye need it. That is why in the parliament unquire. Ghana, who need it? And I'm no can say, but to boya above from me. Send them yes, and I buy. The place is a very nice place, and your honey can say, Nokobuji through. And I won't call her so much, and soon so mamma can say, me Babby Trim my uhieni. If I say, ni party the amateur and I say, won't call ye Sikani or ho, because you don't go there to say. That is why I can say the place is an institution. Ubisuya dear BIB.
You meet all kind of people.
Fantastic. And he said when you avail yourself and open yourself to for a fee say, Ombetimi abuawa. Unkoma. Ebi anye yesika na ode be show botomaba. But the directions people will give you, not the advice people will give you, the consultations you make. Emma kwofo a ubedu on sabato to won so no. Daache unye MP kura. Unkatakata wani. Ba yese what you say. Ube hu say asumasi. It is a place of say ankebeya. Enka so obi anko di MP. Ankebeya yen open parliament nanka nkofo ehase. Now Adeakyia akoso ama paper and say omo establish a whole institute. Ye be shase ya master's degree money PhD money now. Fi say be ma kwan man nkofo fra aside abai de abai be and they will learn a lot because place of an experienced people. Call you share the crack of Parliament. Bankers will say yes. We have some Parliament for more than 30 years. You can imagine the sort of experience as any panel. A very nice place for everybody. Oma Hokwaya Obeko Hobi. Na a honye a manipa baby. Well, yeah, then any papa cope and a way. I got many constituency, but I'm tossed to for 20 good years, and I'm boy. Until now, quite a decono, a dozen, but it's only one thing: a trust and humanity. That's
Also trust and humility. And I do parliament. The day that you won the election, not feeling it to say.
Me election, me dear, from 2021, and that year for a team in team year, was a man. Okay, say me 2024. Send this 40 me Jimmy Kwan say, imagine our man, Abano, me winning.
Then I share cry, sir.
I did shame in crying and say, Minyan coupon, meaning say, mechanical into Yamita Mechi, number 1. Number 2, minim constituency nim, enim Kurubia swasem, enim a hawa, a nunti man this if one, ya 2 abanos cat and brass de man, a demand PP for. Ena a ba impuntu ankasa, ya yewa constituency ni mwa. Minim Kurubia dia ya ba ya from 2004 de na ye MPP 4 de na ye NDC 4 de from 2009 adia ye wura Herod ye wo Kurubia so no minim adia DC Honorable Peter Nko aye ye bia no eno so minim na ani kan sema na we mu ni se mi be ye DC no Peter Nko de no me na mbeto aso for the last 7 to 8 months no eno so me ba ye no how bia na wo constituency ni mu bia me ba ya me di mani si so no governor score me more than 80%. Enti say na me hwe eniema ye di bon krofo aba so say ye di aye mpuntu wo constituency ni mu enkuro specifics na me amete wo me hu say da bi nsem mo ka no ye ne kore. Enti we need to get time organize the NDC members na yem pray say ye benya unity, at least achieving 80% unity within the NDC front no ebetimi me yɛ den yaji city no. These are enema na motivation na me energize the base. By energizing the base of the NDC, MPP for nya baby anya den enyina nti we say NDC for share year service our constituency no. At the end of the survey no, it came out to say name confirm betimi agi seats na ewura Kenneth Yoboa no kura pa me ka kire o ka Yesu na no pa no. And I knew that. Yes, Sly, any pious. Pina. Oh, I see. Either Pina and not pious. Ba kumbi am deni be ko biano. Obedi. Enti na kwaye ade ne shefam ho by between Pina na Pina nim and am so me yeden na minim. By my senior man say adwuma wo ye wo. Yes. Grassroots politics no ya na
onye serious.
Enti ono so do ba bi no. If the NDC wanted to send one of us, say on post. And now, your opponent no so she for me masse no mun panema mun yes because one man gazan so amte one na they knew say pious and pina can cause a serious havoc in the MPP in a contact na. Until that I told Prime Minister na minya the Prime Minister too I won overwhelmingly. Out of 843, minya 501. And see, I told Prime Minister, and I'm so. Minim coffee room. Why better radio so? Now my farm, I'm auntie, baby, 5, 10. Our police, for example, say coffee room. It's a caro. Min ko hona min ko ponchi hosu obi ti aka kurum boho aside for some years yan repair kura no wanya nsuano ka yesu min ko pe bosi an ko repair ko pe bosi an repair uko NDC ya ehia constituency chairman ya eni so ohye onim party ni mo asem. Eti e set up ni na wie no na mka se oni omo ye den nti me na nya me da yeso obi o ka chen se aba me woni ye na ye da yeso bia no ka chen se uko busa obi a onim se da be na wo bi shi apa yeso o kan se aba no ni opponent ba woni o jitu mu da ba nya ntu mu da me ka se me panyin fo me no mo na ko ke poli akushi am wo doctor filling station was o aba ni de oni se ye po asem bat opponent ne de enema wayɛ no nka jo so pa me ento bet de beto abawie no wankasa obɛhwehwɛ me no wabɛda mase ho ne ka kyerɛ wo social media hypes ɛna wote ha na wode ɛbɔ ho sam na enti kaesu na nya meta machi ba na me ankasa minim sɛ woyɛ dan mɛwoni aba no. And I'm telling you, take it on record. Say me pious na contemporary for me say 4 years. Ebia me modern bobi ko afi na mashase. And so anything and to my pious. Na nya de otwa mu no. Onu de you should count it out. MPD oni bio e wa contemporary just ba bi foforo.
Onu abu tete.
Me ka bi a kyerɛw. Me can say after 4 years automatically na me sanko. But I want to place this on record. So who kwan am de ni free opposition say betu no no. And I am tie akunya ne so. Say ni pa foforo bi be di MP 1 PP mu a. Enyo no. Because me I am going to match boot for boot. So person dey na ye nyina agoro bi na ye di. Na nim so be sa kyera. Say so on sa kyera.
Okay, what the yamfa on na 7 to check.
You ba ko am me can say the man me be doing say me na minim say metu no.
Okay.
Upon all the insinuations, the insult, character assassinations. I mean, dear Namin ko mu akontomra under the leadership of Teteni Adoheri. I've got with a mistake. I've gone through a lot. A do baby crown. No, he be friendly pious. Me say I'm pinu one more radio show me say minti omo me na mu ya campaign. Then you I'm going to take them out. And it has worked perfectly for me. The future of our contemporary politics is pregnant. I am telling you. But we will not sit down for anybody to come and clip our legs. For what?
Opani am na edi nkomo yi honorable pious enko a oye mrahye ema manfo a wo mo ewo akontomra constituency ono enam na edi nkomo ewofiara na ye free ase ya bon nkomo na sisi odi aba beduru akontomra fie ya bon nkomo na ya free parliament ya ba fie ye wa akontomra fie di ye nhwe akontomra ene wankasa as a person obi be ka say Papa etiwa all kasa bebre what specific projects and our be betimi aka say what me I initiate betimi aka say the development ebeba constituency no yemfa nhwe education, I mean schools, I mean health and other sectors I see infrastructure there betimi aka che
ma me kan krecho me da misana wasibio my member of parliament for the past 6 months.
Correct.
Yedi adwuma sha wonsa ade ba ko so udimi ye first ne say you audit adwuma odi kan beto ye no
until now we are auditing
until we audit you it will give you foundation
yeah,
a firm foundation to know where you begin with until me wa parliament yina no we say every 2 weeks bia me ba kontom na tu ka na me namu me da o ma se na me hwe ne ma akoso nkuru no the first ade ba ko a maye wa kontom na eda no be can be so we impuntu can show you ra John the many mahama guys we minim time we secondary school na okay say ya e ko school kuma say bra na free akonto e yo so high ko ade mra na e mfuturo no obi ofa aso bia no ye na e hu school mu ya wo na wanya admission po we no na admission fee no me de ye ton ntoma did I me say you ra John the many mahama say or no policy ni say every first year ni bi obenya admission public university bia no unto school fees no say okay me so ti ma call round so wa kontom na ma educate community for ma ka che o mo say me era aniema akola bi awie secondary school abusa na say ubeko bi o se da bi me call police nti na okwa kontom na ka yasu yato abawie me more than 2000 people Yatro mudi on the umpe police ne. Timitrans do you think this is attainable? Do you think this is achievable? Let me sensitize them. Enti energy nursing training form aba. Any teacher training in as a form. Me akasa admission form amato. I may be mo. I may pay admission. Mato about 154. 150 students. Many dear chirap admission amawo. Why? Because when you admission no school numa, first year when you're there, your school fees. Me ankasa so me common fund, me get fund mo ebeba no. Na me sumi di bi ye den e support. What bigger policy? Ye bo hu de we akontomna development fund. Acha by October e balance. And also the source of funding na no ebeba. Enti over education. Ye ba ye say aban statutory fund. We are journalists for actually here. Into statutory fund man obia. By way mo mi ankasa makatuya. Osuma katuya meje no. Ebi na me to from. Me ba no wo circuit games. Akwa ye te say. Eduru su bia na se yakobo ba, wo ye mpia, aticha for ba wa ba beji jesi. And then I started. Circuit bia with 3 things. I told Jesse come I am boss with the name of the circuit. Edi amawon. Ema de under 13 there, under 15 there. I catch one say me 4 years a media MP no. Sa Jesse down on my name. Circuit bia be use. To 24 set. Plus football and caps. Edi amawon. School bi mo me ba ya. Omo dan esu atutu. Ene na sefo from my own pocket because abanfa statutory fund MMPBA. You can do that inquiries by yourself. Enu nti makatuya no. Di bi eto nchanse. Na me di amawo no mo e di aboso. Sa na ma we nyina e ya de amaye. Many education director atanase. The me yes say ya passe e teachers ya abo akontom na e te say Jonso abo akoko. Me kwa parliament. Me share minister na me kan say vacancy say na da ho. There were about 320 within checkups tembia nsome mamo ye den. Ema omkokoye. Many head director so to anamo vacancy say ho eno so yaye. Baby mo hia agent attention. That is Nzawra chief compa health center. Mabisa minister or the anu ye e di amame. And say budget ya bay, they will find something, award it to a contractor to come and continue. Oba Nzawra area na. All the health facilities na chief compound. It's a referral hospital mu e wasro kakra. E was say because and na the center of the this and the Nzawra area also has the largest population in the Quantumla constituency. Inti dache even polyclinic will be better, and that is the focus. Me lucky for me, head minister of that say yana me say ya. Oh sorry.
Waunia.
Eho any me nu na ye dwen say dache a facility a wasro a chen health center. They say polyclinic there. I was say it me Adibama Zawra Echo. It also be water and sanitation. A burn suya. Na me opposition pono, na me repent you. Me buy ma repair. Abansi ka bian so mayo. Ma repair because about that nature mu. Pipe no say ya. Amon kom. Ense aprutu. Akakrum. Me de akakrom de enema bi wona asem na me kan ka yesu ye ubesu wani suo sei beba de ma kom wa akakrom payos kwa me nko me wo ho na akakrom fo be bo mama na yin committee for say yesu na wo krom ha no enso ye na ba ku bi wa ha esro boy na repair no obi a mi wo opposition minim ye to aba akonto na minim ba bi awo ba wote mi de mpo yese inika pre pious from frama ebi eden rendi mon ke kan de aka no me ye ton bode me je ton banchin ntima mi fit wo fa fie ene sam ne de bebre kwa o sam ka bi a kire wa ena makotiti me mo wire mu ena me nya 4,500. That was the cost of repairs abema nsu no ajane nan so nko ye nsu ewie ya abemu fo koyo msi unit committee fo esi musika da ho no ana mo kom de ma pious and I'm telling you kayasu sa asem no we ye de be kokoto that boy na or church was any or yet o dig a repusa grandson never court for that character assassination never court na kure nyame nchadom me here ni de na me repair no na me no ka say omubu omo escafo ne de no I say no achi ya masa ko ya kaliska more than 4,000 asa ko kazo akontom na minim omo onim omo e busa akontom na sem kontom na politics de bi ni Ghana ha wo e bi ni ha wo anunti bohos ene nyame ncha adon common fund e ben ya hyeyen se yen tu boho 10 iti 10 no ya pense ba bi a ye de ko
areas ben sir
ewo yen krata because minim say e pense Congo e hye mo kurum sei nkora no ko school na nsu on be no no woti wakoro hu a ti Congo obi nkurum me kai obi nkurum so me kai say e list no me dis yi na me ya no me kan na ochoro eno so me kai say aputu ehon so ya me kai say o munsu na still enso wo mo nti o say ye pe ba kon so ye den e kan a waiting for say nkuro ti say aputu yaw kurom aka kurom fa kabra nkwadum besi bema mo omo qualify for small town water system ene no na ma sha ase ma tworo ho krata e de akọ community water and sanitation through the minister for works and housing and water resources say sankuru no qualify omo nhwe na omo nyeden omo pensuo fama o te say yenum bi won zawra yenum bi wo yoso ha no enu nti oba no a hawe wo ho ene de ma sha ase enso eno so me ye no afi the big one akontomra na ye wo ho no ya kwan bi ya wo contract
akontomra roads
why kontomra fida road bia e wa kontomra say ne tintin te say ha ne liberty mo exit point wo kora e wo contract until people began to ask questions agwani so e wo contract no e bia ni ho a yagu quota just a quarter of a kilometer kazu mi sense su bio me fa as Nzawra junction to Asante mine to project our contract but yemfa quota
Nzawra junction
Nzawra
Asante
mine junction e won Nzawra
yes
to Asante mine to project our contract
ya award ama na ya ma contract
and since 2020 and
now e ho say yemfutu kwan
contractor ne ba ye obekre site no ye drains kakra no yemfa say chippings kura yemfa bi engu just to say ha ne wo from 2020 ene aya abatros abeto ye konso ufri utisi akotomre ni ana yamfo junction yambe kire ntim kurum kabia suye enkwachire nyame adom tanu kurum anwafutu atwakan bohomoden adukwasi bosompem Abraham korobo line tewi kurum na wonim di omo ye sa bra no omo de katapira ba ko no mo ka te so de wie pe no wakwa ku dwiri kwan na no dwi anu wie pe contractor no otu ayira ofu anu mo ko ba bi fufuro nti wo de hwede ma on dem de amawe eti we mu ne
list adam anim ha say
any questions sir
What parliamentary answer?
Sir, me busa 4 questions.
Yes. Because I remember say Ubisa
about 4 questions. And I know
me kai say Ubisa about roads
minister. Anya odaje oyima no. Na akwan ni bi wo ho from 2020 work done 7.5%.
7.
O de ya hwe document ni.
We Akontomra roads. Summary of ministers' answers to questions asked on Asefi Akontomra roads. Bopa Junction to a work room.
And no, 2016.
Yeah, and no, to is it 2022? Yeah, 2016 to 2022. Up to now, Akontomra to the Adeakyia road. Jesus Christ.
Auntie, what shall Fidel Rosu ni be correct? Fidel Rosu no cry ye. Say highway nipo dear, but Fidel Rosu no.
4 kilometer road no why 32.1%.
Fantastic.
Tano chrome to see so. Oh how?
Uncle 4 and I'm in okay say 10 bi uncle 4 by me few. Je compensation. Few cocoa in out to a woo. And watching am cocky came no. Just last week, the oil from 2020 to the oil annual futu to a quantum no to annual futu or Dominica. And akwa to no kwan so afi no the musan say when I can say bra I say honorable will come to the house enti kayasu the question I me say
more or less pachi kojo ono so e was site ono
po the site enti ono po the mini problem
okay
over the ring road na e wo kojo krom through aka krom sa no enu nti emina bi na ye nkofo ni bi say akontom na guro sunu bebrebe na ye kan sa no ye cosmetic na nkofo bi nyini na kayasu wo de hwe misiba ba akrom to misiba kwan ene grade ane hye ho adwuma mo ye from 2020 ina no I was so mo wie kwan no 2022 7.9% 7.9%.
2020 to 2022.
7.9%.
And now 7.9%. From that time till date. In this and now was to start
for page 1 to 3. On page 3.
Yes.
Okay, flash here. Second about junction to Misiba. So on.
Yeah, 8 kilometer road. 2028 in December.
2020.
Also, movie June 2023.
June 2023. Work down 7.51%. Current status contractor not on site.
But efforts are being made to get the contractor back to site.
It's a when you say yeah. Now my former MP no akwatena radio station bi a memoji. I say me de makofa o ma ba nti ko pesika na so bra be ye den be wie.
Oh, but they say a kind there. What I know is say oh yeah the contractor.
For 3 good years, work done 7.5%. One to me, Musa who question about Parliament, my minister no kura am for so contractors neso amanyamra. No abegina ho catch them say, sir 7.5% no. We dey make sure say 2028 or say pious no di quota yeden eguso. We can say yes sir, are you fair? Have you been fair to me? Enti the mema kontomna fo aso atene say ene oba rules a parliament MPs no me na mabusa rules questions pa e kura po say bi san wo ho because say me hu ba bi e wo. The next question is say we should look for all the contractors and audit them per every mobilization bia wo mun sa ye den e kan ye de wo mun diska ne ye na wo say wo ye den ye ma wo ma ye hu. Because these are cosmetic contracts. A wa ban mu say ya wodo contract. Nanso ukofam ho a adwuma bi ani ho aye den ekoso.
Now honorable Mr. McKay the response to the questions in Niamaniama woman me kai contract ya wodo they say about 19
abuo nyani na mponi o
anyani nani
anyani
and ya award since 2020 after na Google.
Enti many video road engineer ohai. And I'm not in Komako actually. They should provide one say the names of the specific contractors and so there. Minister catch and so be later. But my buy me by video road engineer. On the anya denyano. Or so me the names of the contractors. Plus their contact numbers. And yeah postal address. I need contact numbers to trace them. Na ebe wie no, obe hu ba bia contractors ni free. Wo de ebe wie no, wo studio ha ya. E ba be contractors no ha. Te say de e bi agi ensem wo bopa no. obehun the same thing.
Then I just say bopa. Ekwan no.
Bopa. Na wo bopa teachers quarters no.
Teachers quarters no. Davio.
Wunya hu.
Tell me.
Oh. Last 2 weeks I'm back. Is it the last?
The last 2 weeks the 1 month.
Again to 1 month, yes. After
about constituency.
Back constituency.
Oh, okay.
After
okay.
thank you service no.
Yes.
And about assembly man free this is a momra bopa. The then be yesi wa ha no your challenge. Now before then no, ye be re-election mu no. Don't say bopa ye NDC Florida. Enti na akabe 2 months to the elections no. And I buy move for led by the member of parliament so omo be see teachers quarters.
Adiama bopa for.
Adiama. Enti nurses quarters no. Assemblyman e ka chen say that time no no opposition assemblyman o kan yemfa. Ye to abawie ye no na wo say
Sata na omo AC nurses quarters ana say omo be teachers quarters.
Omo say nurses quarters.
Nurses quarters. Okay.
Enti ye call ye no
2024.
The contract was awarded in September
2024
under Social Investment Fund SIF. It will mean now there so be anymore. They call dino. What for pictures in Nigeria? A diner. Baby a pie.
Wamusi.
Oh, what for pictures in Nigeria?
Oh, there me bizarre question. Wamusi dino.
Wamusi dino. Wamu
and a papa.
And a papa. A be juragu, na juragu.
A diner contractor no AC.
That I was no. Messi no one who now where Jubano.
Now said September 2024, they say now 1 year.
Kaisu. Don't count the months. Oba Okran saying September dan or buy. The project was awarded in September. Enti ya koho. In fact, what they mean who yet me statement crime or your pamoni other ekekan.
Pakwisi.
Your question share contract in moi me DC dignity or those who call who ma say na project no. They say free company no. Jempemek Company Limited.
Jempemek per interview.
They say Jempemek free here. Or say what dana 19 egu abon.
Yes, me ammonia. Ona mu DC edi nkomo ewa ha and then per documents or they ema me amehwe no I left them home but I know sir Jempemek
oh me copies me obi
okay Jempemek
former MP onu ankasa ni company
yeah sure
na me bi atwam wo mu tie me akonto
ono na AC
contractor odi ni company na jeye ono a nti ebetu eska odi ebeye bi ano so na ebeye den na ebefa na saade we akoso akontomra constituency no ache mi de mi hu ya ache o ya wo company ba ku bi friend na Estate Construction ya wo ba ku bi friend ni di Atete Construction ya say wo ba ku bi hye ho ansa na Jempemek ne so ayeden aba na owo de gia okwaje wo soro ho saa na oba no wa be 2 times omo kure supervise project no eye party mrantie na omo di na
and say bia na omo know how in doing that
eye no kure
we are sure
I know them minimum
but knowing somebody doesn't mean any capability
minim di omo te ebi wo kura Diana yesi no keji brush no ye de birthday kura ne ko ho iti ne minua rendi oye mesin ya fa birthday adwuma ba ya wie no ye tua ka ba ko akira ko kuma nu enti sometimes we check that kura ehu one specific mesin oye den and that has been the norms in akontomla e dan bi wo ho ya sia wi akontomla so adaje ba mde ko ho December ne hand over and e mo tutu akontomla Methodist KG block ye see dan ni wie ya e hand over no ni 1 year time ye san ye renovation and am no kase no am ko ho net ne niam e wo hu nyina atete dan mu asan atutu
that I mean I don't know just a shoddy work
shoddy work because the contractor no ordinary kwaji he doesn't make sure say ne nkrofo I want that capacity no ebeye adwuma na mfaso abaso ama wo man no de omodwen na wo musika enu nti bopan ye ko ho no ena me no ka say ye nyame ya adom ochena say technical consultants na mfiri ye na ye no ombe ko ho ni ko hwe ya me ye radio yi one of my senior men am a respect power kontom no kojan radio station ka say eda na ye twa ba na nya no korenye no enso enu achi o na di wo mani mo makobu dan na ye den
edan amode kire mi
wo makobu ye say wo mabu ogu
nse dan wo masie duru soro
na say adwuma na wo ye ne papa edan ya sie awie kura ya ye lenten na ye say aya nya da age me yem for original yi ni fan
enti ye budan na gu
wo mabu ogu adena ya report to shoddy work Ediama SIF.
Inspection.
Arizona and the national headquarters. Minua no really Abbas and a chief executive. I instructed the consultant and the zona managers and say, Monko, a contom na MP, any DC, on become on Amako Dano Cohen. I know to your Makubu.
Omobuago, yes,
Makubu. Take it,
Jim Pemmy.
Think it, say. Send out Genesis, Moko. Within the crosses na ye de ma wo as contractor no contractor bia na company bia ni ho an institution bia no ba wo do ama wo be make catch us we should do work
into specification no enru
whatever was designed for you is tantamount to revocation of the project. And if that is the case there omakubu
okay but say na wo bu agu na je say wonya hwe wo ho
wonya hwe wo ho say wonim say ono e punish no enti o chena wo ba ye no on be ko ho. And I will insist within that same a lot of 4 projects, one lot of 4 projects.
Which and which?
Nyamina says unit classroom blog.
Yes, yeah, we.
Omo wo ho AC. In fact, I know the me amako ho. Entina ama omo munimi no.
We are satisfied.
I am okay with it.
Same Jimpemic.
The same Jimpemic. The person working on that project, fantastic. Bopan, Nel, teachers quarters kabi asue oban form na yansi ho until say this is who document no AUPA and na me no ka say o ma stop on say manen ko ho and so the by force e twa blocks ho
former MP
and so no contractor
yes contractor firm ne din
firm Jimpemic me body am mo me the contract company no na me bo but company no. And I say a company be what they are.
Yeah, sure.
One covet, Besibema. I know Besibema Kumana Shiako like a say. I never yakwa covet. I don't think anybody will tell you, sir. And so, depends on some bear covet to Besibema. Bray walk a beer covets. What other areas? And now, how much you try almost a covet, no? Almost by one Zaura Apatano. The background no down ho say you would
but a horn na demarcated for the project.
That was the revised one
version. Okay,
because so I go find there besibema ho no so munim besibema mama kan no crunch say company bi ba do project yenya yete na na did the names of the needed communities no echo. Do you hear what I'm saying? Samemeti SIF led by Abbas Nudis, Honorable Vice, my project or constituency. You call me and say, give us the areas, if you say, school blog na yede ba, omu here. Then I will call him and give him say, okay, so also be boa me there, fako betanase, fako ebiasi, fako kufikru. And no on one tana no one kasa atwetwe because we nim what the kind of
a fall on the MPs.
Both the MPs and especially the DCs. It's why I wouldn't with this multimeter community to say that we need this multimeter community. Then we bring our heads together. Now I share the most immediate a year we here and urgent attention. Like I say, to one man at the call. And I don't understand why Besibama. Omutimi can say you may cover to Besibama. A black Besibama tie road. What's about it? It is one the director never a no. He should say Besibema Hano. Maybe I'm coaching and say a covet or so. No, this doesn't need a covet. some shallow gutter beer a damn feature kurunum feature baby. Doesn't know. We can spend that much on this. Adeakyia get kura what me Ebotra. And to find another place for us. And on your relocation to Nzaura. Sa baby na me the maker. The amount I was have 4 projects. Tisika 54 billion for these 4 projects. Don't you are you telling me Kayasu? Memeti hey. Say a boy me hunda uro oni kapre. Eya no kore. Me be mini kapre o. Meti akura mini kapre. Ba kontom na for no because say mini kapre nsumponti no. Na o mo trust me ntro mo to aba na ye den. E ma me. Me ntra o ma 54 billion ko di obi bottom. Na on ko si sa adan nsi bopa. Abra bopa. The difference between Pius Onkwa and the MPP candidate is approximately 400 votes. You think I will sit there? Now my head to say remote. Anti memeka namaka na me studia irrespective of cross society man court to awobeko bopan for they deserve better. Echna yakwana sa anya hwe kura the best me meti ase say there should be a complete change of site. And now no kwama ya asase foforo na obesia ya this time me pe obi a onim de the district assembly has engineers and they understand very well what it entails for somebody to build a house.
But was it not in collaboration with the assembly?
Why? Ko bisa ye kura ya ma assembly engineer no ho no na odi na no wate se ye ya ma engineer no ho no akontomla na ye obi airline do eya dinkomo why penkrofo wabai dinkomo bra akontomla na ye obi airline do who is this he me this ammonia me man what did this yo me man this man ko phone say yes me metra on ko kan say na maka che common fund eba the best thing ammonia bet me ayese honorable woni eto abama enti adan school dan e besi mienu chip company e besi miensa uzu say hemo ne enfanko so what man say ne na bopo chief e hwe ne enfanko ha o say okay me so anka me say ye ni say ko mienu na ye adwuma ti enim constituency ni ya bopo ye say be ko ha eti say ame ya adu ne yesi dan ni wia e wo say me na mkotro me din bo ho
aya kontomna for dia
yo suppose yo so bia nsi hada ana no mitie bi na oka ana ya to aba ma wo be hwe na wa ye adwuma no unu akofi bente wo yo so wate so okasa ko bente won kasa okasa ye Dr. Friye wa kwankwo ye sanse mo ni bi
honorable
ebe na ko bente kasa e musa kofi mbo kire kofi hwe de ma nyani ana kofi na doctor de say me wa de say ebi ni yo so ampa. What is that Dr. Friye? Ya na ya boni din wo company bi say ya say ni company na wo ko si dan wo keteboy na wo ko si dan wa enti MP no on ko tresi ni ma bi kura na me de kayasu kuti wa kura na de aba na be bo dirim. Why should this things happen? Enu nti Rose de ya de mi be wie ha no wo de ya wote ha ya obehu. I'm going to file another question demanding auditing, intensive auditing of all the contractors now. Omudin shisha sa ekwan we mu hono. So what ma say? Na yenhwe minister Dawroma onhwe say yetua sika bi.
With the concerns enumerated, tell me how challenging and few months obabedi MP etie.
Because yes, niema yeye wa kontomla maybe say CDN. There was lack of transparency.
No credit.
It is say a dear do all crana so what pesa was say me 200 na monwa. A true quite today. Because I need now. And nothing as over here can one member of parliament. Why should I ask road minister 4 different questions on roads in a quantum? You get what I'm saying? Because I can minister back with me busa roads who has some there. I can back be na my follow up be me nubi. But we separate because. And the minister told me after saying he told me some of the contractors we can't even trace them. And the acquire and I see by the year 7.5%. Yeah, deep machine is a whole. We try acquiring so. Contractor and so also so. Yeah, you say no crash says 2020 year abrogated. Sa project now. The project has not been abrogated. Na still document say ye ne dia. We adwuma wo so kora. What date me the legal suit to be ayede. These are the challenges. There were lack of transparency within the setup in the control. And no, and kophobia. Everyone the patriotic citizens of Akontomna from MPP almost shasi and Omoka. And they were humiliated. Some of them were chased from their houses. Some of them were beaten because Yakoba if Akontomna. It in near be a question. No man no could dear day. Emra. A big no a government appointee. A chief feeling some and an assembly mind. Because of Sunny and Manema woman, the near fla. And the challenges we are going through, no. But let me assure you, me say, contractors we. A queen be a me fast one. Me who baby or mufreno. Who? Now the minimum say, ye be here na, ye be no. Na buaboy.
Honorable General Mamma, maybe ye best at 217 now. When son of Yaga Conde, a moba, maybe here.
Nancy Mundon fair, Nancy Mundon for
Manu, none other me buffer cocoa naso.
Assassin ni koko fetraza me koto sa fetraza yi edi begu ma froso me ko fompa mi ti ma fio manitia na broso
Sa sentina fibia ye boko kwakufo abaso a wonsa ekambie no
ni secret no eno a ene assassin ni koko fetraza eno ti de bia no ye mo abaso se akuafo hene
eno ti se me pebi ato a efa na menya bie
minia ba bia ye ton agro chemicals nyoma bia okon mo a ka se wo hwe assassin ni koko fetraza wo benya bia to se wo pebi atu a babia ye ton koko no bia okwa ubenya bi fra homan na woni empanyfo eni nkomo 0593854166
ajamanu me kwa kope bi na me de gumi koko so ma afesese me sumi koko no asodo so koko sa seyire fertilizer koko akuafo ye ne obefa yonko
AC bra na wampa na o complain say sciatica e hawi ena na wagina wona aso saa no
ofa mabre papa meto asentini etimi twimi say tan yale yale bone Dr. Kankwe Dr. Kodivu Abam ena agimi saa no
sa Dr. Kodivu Abam eni ti sciatica nko na esa na
ofa me kame kira wa nya sciatica nko minua be me ya no wa kire he ya na stroke achini ya wakadamu Dr. Kankwe Dr. Kodivu Abam ya na me di ho adanse e kire no wo di twitwi ne ho ade e kire di twi no ne ho ato no say fom wasole na etumi stomach ulcer papa ene honam yaw na oba ne nsabuo mayie wo hia Dr. Kankwe Dr. Kodivu Abam ya ebeba kama ama ne ba ye sipi asita adoni ti ye kokko ena ne to wa ne ye fita
ene na Dr. Kodivu Abam eya dupo na menya bi atowen
wo pebi atu akoton a fa wani kire kumase mamponten ena wo pebi atowo sewi ha so a afa kisi heba Philomena Fosia chemical Esther Ata chemical Opana drugstore ewele mankrom ena chemical ne heba shop bia ti atese na obetimi afre number 0246336509 Dr. Kankwe Dr. Kodivu Abam ena papa
problem there
me catch you say ranking collections me the leading boutique in Western Offer now di machinye na suruma prowa wona na ka asem kirewa nkobi sa maame ranking collections why say prekasa no yiri free nkwanma nkwana nya de mema hunnioma de fi wutiri so ekosi wo na ase ye ton mema hunnioma nyina bi beti say I check shells quality jeans and knickers slippers boxes watches store set half shoe and a full belts bola tops and mema ni man nyina share boxer and mema ye de say ye ho no ni nyina bi wo ranking collections new man ayo original quality camouflage beti say night Air Force, Jordan, Wafa Bikaho, Mema Unium Yinabi, Wapa Tania de Bako office, Urubako Wajuma Bia, ranking collection, Sabwa, Sabama, Wufo wedding, engagement, birthday party. Sorry, Unium Yina, ranking collection, Mema Unium Kwa, ranking collections, once a meeting, Sari Glasses Station, GPR to you, Amabro Sino, and Zara Station 1 on the second floor, ranking collections. Our home, and as a also Glassy, a team, one Ginasa Hifiano, and a boss of pay. First, I want to 0544 461440. Ranking collections, buy quality, pay less.
I say buy quality, pay less. Many honorable powers in Kwa, and then many didn't fall. I say from honorable powers Kwame and Kwa. Many know if you are saying come on, yes, as Mrashe Bedani. Not many didn't come out the priorities, and then near my what me Ashe. I'm not to you within the constituency. And all my meaning na I can't do na. But what I know is a quantum or more equine a worry. But one my any woman na me shall listen so the mamma dem and him has here about 19 roads are more hour there I was in company for you 2 hours and I'm more home weird you made in business and no case ye. But the issue of Galamsey at the same Ewa Contomra. Because the last time I'm interview ammonia, the DC before ammonia, was it Yamwa or something? Yamwa, yeah. Yes. And I know no air casse. Ne penso na enya dia Galamsey a year juma or hobat. All be free so the sad time in the moon Galamsey a ye niti or honum and kakra. Tell me, at the same.
Kayasu me da wase. Na minua Yamwa. Ebia na no fon kakra
sa
nti ano pa mi chia no ebi o bia mi chia no na Kayasu maka cho se akontom na mi na be DC last one 2016 tim na me hand over ma Yosin
oh yeah Yosin yeah Yamo Yosin
me fira akonwa so no na ye ni ba bi te se Liberty studio ha aye Galamsey wo.
Yeah.
Kind of corporato. Me handing over at the mouth. Me handing over note. Is it 7th year? No, 6th January 2017. Nam ye ni baby to say honey ha. Ye Galamsey wo. Akontomla. Obi a wotie me bia onim akontomla no. Galamsey started akontomla. Getting to the end of 2018-2019. 2019 when I na DC. One and now ye DC, but the other woman is say, "Yeah, ma kwan kura ma wonya den." Won ka. Kayasu ya wa kwantomra. Ene ye nya nti ye say. We are Randy for post no. Facebook post no for Kayasu. Yete ya ne say Sompahene has done it again. Sahui Esanse is going to have small scale. What man can say deep mining. And one day our quantum land who say containers. Plus the member of parliament, the car. Adeakyia. Yade niyama Eko Esanse. Ene abrofo mudim akobo odwa Esansefo mo economic activities be yeye sika beba mrante botom nam koja wo mugu ho ye wo environmental background no obusa sata ma na wo page ni so I began asking questions ema lawyer ndabugiri kura kwa ekobusa question bi ema wonya ho problem. I say, "Quay your first way, mining company, no, and yes, you're sorry, you're not your quack. Feasibility studies ban a course. Screening ban a what is the scope of the project? According to the environmental laws, no assessment ban a those whose livelihood seriously is going to be affected. Again, you busa, kind of mountain the chile. Say, no, deep mining. Na ye Galamsey na agisanse nkwachire ankra ene ensuo kwa ankra yo nsuo bi o ye frɛ no river ankra utwa mu a ujira ka akwa wonsasa bi se ya ene ankra no he nyina ya sino wo mu free sanse pɛ no mutisi akontomra ene river akontomra ya sino sampa ya sino bokwa akure from 2024 ebeye elections forest ni kwa pay record say wa forest commission say bokwa akure na yenye galamsey wo hwa ina meme baayi maba betom uche si wo mafa ha na wo mafa ha wo pictures nyame edi so de yase e problem antie bi kujo ofri bonzan omutu galamsey ya mensu ewo the downstream end of where omo ye adwuma no de omo nsu say me anam de FPU fu free anam ko yi omo free kwa akontomra me am dim ko site I rawo say ma wo mu ni say won de China for no mo de on buy on best excavate asase no nsuo no nsuo no the basin no mu na omo tu galamsey ni ye den efri enti a creative manholes Some man hosu no ena mrantie na wa akontomra a sebe omo didi wo mo achi ni wo mo yes adwuma no makototo pump machines a omo kwa na omo wash the what we call say the tailings na omo jaaye no it is omo wash a as a result of say bia wo makọ wo mo nim some niema nipa duane mpe no ebon no ho kwa no kwa kutia anu a wo to tia anu pe no ko to nsu mpe na wo all this ponds no where niema mo na mo excavate between 2019 to the end of 2020 MPP
how
they supervise the Galamsey. The MP brought Galamsey to Asanse any akontomla.
Say the MP brought a Galamsey. I don't get it.
Oh, I started it.
I know.
My culture saw the deep mining. Asanse. That's a deep mining, and a band in Galamsey. Because you can go to akontomla and attest. Ask everybody. Say even 2017, na Galamsey kureni akontomla. Yet this way, na Galamsey ni baby ya.
But they say or no eba be deep mining na. And just or no and akwakofa Galamsey because there is difference between deep mining and Galamsey.
I understand what he meant by those.
But they say deep mining no he had documents.
It is those people now what do am buy na ebe deep mining no. They transfer oba say why introduce am say am na eba be adwuma no. Ama ye ho atoyen. Tisanke ne chira no wo hoi. Na echira yase o won ba be ye adwuma se de o sha ase emre bi saa ene na manfo nya bi yi na saa company na nkasa ekura excavator ne na sefo etutu ese nsu a wan e do on ba he where is the deep mine now the buy
what is the name of the company
won mo ya China for eti company ne kura mo de ba ye no man timi anto din randy mu na ti ye me say a cosmetic something just to deceive the people because they were coming in for Galamsey bia
because me minim say so we be deep mining na e was unya company ni din the permit and all that
in time I catch us feasibility studies be nkura na course ye nkura ya
e was so ba be exploration no nkura de ba
yes that's the feasibility studies that's the screening was it the scope of work
yes
what are the baselines
yes
and when we ask them the day on post to I was challenging them say mo be say area no.
That is why you are saying, say, honorable na Ede Galamsey.
Me say one more ban na ne car no. Don't question. No agasa di bubi. What am I say? Na me dia ma me abra me kan na say me time no. But the fact is that me kwata ba bi say ya wuni aban mu no. E ma me tag me because me I don't do Galamsey. I don't even have affinity for Galamsey.
So what are you doing?
Me buy. Say I don't want to make.
Mintio.
Then we are found. And what you cram when you meet the Sukusi our mine. Nkofo ankopa mo mo nyame di so. O ma san e fa back door. Esan ko. Enrachi Saturday I went to Yami Disu to meet the community. I can't share one say now you are the overseers here. Tell ba. Na mo bi kwan so metna ha ye garensa. Mo amasa so ye garensa nu. Mechim. Enne me hu se Yami Disu. Omo ana omo wo wi oso hare na sefo omo ye o maje so mbekọ ho no. There have been some fears. Ate so omo me am phone afrefre bi mu aka kire wo. Se mo kọ ho a me sojafo aba bechim.
Do you know them?
As omo frɛ me.
Now sit to
You say me you one of the MPs na. Obo wo nsam na bia hu ska na je say we am hihyo. Did they call me? One of the guys. Time I'm kopam wo mo first one Yami Disu no. Na me pay. The third person that I'm say I know that no. Na me pay na che. The regional crime officer. We came into an agreement say omo de baby omo tutu omo kwa where dey. Omo kwa reclamation. They should go and fill all the potholes there. And one guy ejijina mso beba omo aye. Mfo omo koye no omo ntimi amfere ni nyina but at least omo yebi. That same person and then ono say twa no ho abeka kire me. Maka kire no say unim say me no ne crime officer we agreement ho kra yintwam. Go there. I'll get you arrested.
Okay.
Okwa akwantom la. Busa omo mutie.
Omo bo spectacles they will not tell me the truth, but I will do that.
Good. Me DC or site no pam omo. You go me there e na ma me yam hihye me ne say wo mo kura ya na makoto amana num aye den. Awu. And all these areas no. E ya dwuma mo ye ya ene ba bia ye bia no. E ya dwuma mo ye ya. Na ka yesuma me ka se mo nkyerɛ. Me ka jo se me hia wo da na me nimo. Fan say dwuma na de wa free baby. Ena wa ba liberty anamboa. Na wo ba yi. Wa ye liberty ha dwuma na wo hu se baby a wo wa ha no wa ye den. Apem. Ye say e fan fufuru bi wa ha. Ye hia wo services a onko.
Say sika.
So bako. Ya kwantba ga say ni sa nete. Baby on be so wo mu san so wo mu di san se de ni ye no. Kwantom na fo so wo mu ti si mu wo ho no. So mo ba, oni se ga say yes no. Ya ma ole say wo hu wo ba bi na wo rap no. On be rap mu ama wa ye say adwuma na on be ye kwa no. O hwe ya e kina kwa na wa yiye. Nti sa ko na mo de on ba ye no. E no ma say mpata mu yina.
Chinese for no.
Chinese for no. And the Chinese they don't just come by themselves. Yeah, before near do a mobile. But so what must say? Enti wo say wo wi a na wa be gina radio so 6 months DC MP. O say and now no na supervise. What am I supervising?
The last time
supervising the filthy work you did.
Thank you. The last time I'm in your DC ammonia.
Yeah.
Ekasai. I asked him about a Contomna rice factory. And ana me bisa say sa factory no e hunsem ete say.
You cry wo ha make catch on say.
Yes.
We share ammonia man with the detailed document.
I have
sending
it.
The percentages.
I have it.
Percentages of distribution.
Yes, distribution.
For all the stakeholders.
Yes, for all the stakeholders. The farmers front.
And what the highest percentage?
3.
About 70%.
3.
Okay.
Yes.
Akwantomla. The representative of farmers.
Yes.
What board no so no. Hey, you are Arizona board.
Yes, or a member.
Mambusa say
he is a farmer.
So you can say a representative of farmers a doy more. Oh no more. Can you be a representative? Me busa. Me meti he.
Say me do bro me nka ho.
Akwantomla fo etie me. Why no wa akwantomla obetua pagya ne saka say ye wura tete we rice farmer. The rice farmer representative no. You don't just be you are not just placed there say you are going there to serve the interest of farmers now.
Yes, but honorable Tete, the response or the by after some interview ammonia and they say or a farmer. That is why the farmers chose him to be on the board.
And you know,
wasn't no choice.
Rice farmer and you know correct. I dear me nim say now a yebi and son or baby MP. A kukofu. And obey MP no, but who saw sign fish pond. and oko say ya fish pond no ho when you rice farmer oboa
oh but is your brother the sector minister health Kwabla Minta Kando rice farmer I agree
big one tekum
yes make you as a country woman produce rice or can be and ne juma die no krabo no ebi dodo na eni sahwi ha
ebi wa akwizi
yes scattered across yes so somebody like that you know but honorable Tete is not like that
yes on your rice farmer say on your rice farmer and you say to man say wadi rice farmer say wa kontomra no wadi wo him mun ma de kuntia meni yewra sam say yakasa
ahikoku
so your deputy minister
trade and industry
that is where the one D1F effort a representative of the rice farmers no that board no so you are going there to push the agenda for the rice farmers and there was a fund about 3 million Ghana cedis. That 3 million only there was I was say Uncle Fua a domon. They talk to moon yeding a few.
Say no, we don't talk a mono from outskirt at the buy.
Now, you're feeding.
Yes, the factory.
Now, the said private person, I or manage. Is
it the Odum?
Odum, no?
Yes.
Because mini obi a ye rice takum na munti no minim so odum so ye rice takum odum ye rice takum no so ne mo na yi no the farms ni bebiri wo nof any voter enti se anka rice farmers na wa kontom na ye wura tetes so na ese se odom nti oda o ma no sa sika na ye de koto mo no wo yendi mune nasefo. Those monies were meant to buy the rice from the farmers ewo akontoma anka wakọ akire kura no yoso when no se wodom akontom na yeto ne mo one bag e de ko factory
we emphatic of what we say the question I will say
what did me say ma to me when kasa won framamu nti me say hwan na wa akontom la ya ho bua ne yanko boka so kura na e ho na factory ni si no na ko busa rice farmers do ayeto wo mo one bag e de ko. Today, I'm telling you, say, near my course, I contom nano. Transparency, Nimu. Send a minu, say, my respected honorable and honorable member of parliament. Say, we are representative of rice farmers, and so domu furia. And you have farmers, some domu fu, I contom nano. What dada won? What sisi won? Enna, menanamu. Ahemfo their representative chiefs.
Yes, the na ammonia e kasa kontomra hene.
Yankopon ya do ya form board no na ye dem nana na ye board chairman.
Yes.
Nti nanka de hia ne say number 1. Immediately ye institute to board there should be a capacity building program for them. And no yanye composition de ayi mu ho dada nanso
just common figureheads
enti anka adwuma bi on be ye bia no e was say private person no because nananom farmers the assembly and the ministry no stakeholders intino every program bi am be ye bia no o say mu wia there should be an accountability na mo hu o 10% no ba bi afa farmers union no be 70% no ba bi afa the district assembly 10% be hu ba bi afa and the trade the ministry no so the be hu ba bi afa busa mo say san kontabu wo mo bu
honorable
wo mama me nana na o ye chairman no
akontom na hene
wada na ne nan
egu abonti
They only attend to him when they need him. But the accountability that they are supposed to render to him, no. Omanye. Ame, mi di ho yaw.
Today na be ya fa.
Nana they were innocent. Because
Nana is innocent and what has gone down the drain.
What am I say? And me a member of the National Health Insurance Board. Yakura Asebiu. Any professors in Asif for. They went for organized orientation, any capacity building, 2 days at the Amai, so that you know where to step and where not. Me a member of the backbenchers committee parliament. The same last week, and also from her. Yes, you go workshop in my even parliamentarians. They be me professors, be me say, but they spend about 1 week
educating
us. It's a what for be chief. No, I am chairman. People from representatives of some institutions. The program has that budget to organize orientation and capacitate them for their services. No, on Baba render so that they don't step anywhere. Money. I say, we are say this year, can say MP went to me near board chairman. You think say you have that right? Until on your farmer, me I'm going me can be you on your farmer. Hey, Papa will free Bocasso. You are at all tomra from Coco Toss. I say, Dabeno Adam Fuda. Then you want to move forward, dear, move for now the way. And a beer, see, my same way, you be a mono, what do baby? And to be a dear company and the money be an idea. Any idea Koto Bota region. So I swear a rice farmer, dear. Benya Contomla district in him. No, yeah, rice farmer. No.
Okay.
I be a stand to be corrected. Say beer. Say what I say.
Me too.
Because money the any baby I'm caught by. A beer horn and name for no yedden. A war. And dear, Miss Equality candle. Oh, I'm sorry, a big man in the rice industry. I'm so may come Annie. Can you then? I mean, no phone a war, Bower criminal. About 50 hectares of land and not quite the ho. And see, can you catch and say, oh, boy, I catch yourself a sin, the uncle. Mackay say, na branty blue, one of your uncle for Nibi. No more year program on him free. Come I say, ba. No more boka branch, she say. Or ye galam say, or Bawaku. We do young betcher than packet can. Let me free him, I'm so boy. Quabran ye galam say, Ochana. Faka black on Tomla, I mean, found call. Me do more rap no. The more rap no call, Bawa Chrome. No quashe drew her. O drew our whom quablan, ne rice no. Farm ne dahono. And ne Bordian and I say for a wadiano. Or can say, wow, pious. That is why I can say you are defending a true brother. O through our banner or the choir, but they are over to a need to be here, the man. It's let me defend because when you got him say a moon warrior. What must I say? And until Miss and did cry about the also as a different represented different group of beer. Me and Kenya me yaw. Because we have rice farmers in Akontomla. One month to me and commercial basis. But there's some even the subsistence one. Some of them can cultivate at least 5 acres, 10 acres.
Honorable, Menjuano, Honorable Ammonia is listening, but also or will be big kakra or person chipwe.
Hello.
Abonia, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Napo boy.
Bachaboko.
Yeah, you must dress also be big kakra person oka.
Match out for no match honorable.
Oh, that's it.
But the number person can say, Ubisa honorable say, MP Cambod, no, Ubisa, no, so Udiamu. And Ukrakas honorable Akando Crown, Udiamu, baby. We know, you see, farmer based organization linked to the Akontomra factory. I wa Akontomra. This what Odomo was so many, and you know, say farmer based organization I wa contomna medicine na e be feed factory no engineer the over and no my checks I no zero on count. So he was on the board illegally because composition of the board no count. And I me last one me can say oh say ubisa say I was anka board no. There should be a memorandum of understanding between the board and the private operator, and a memorandum of understanding between the board and the ministry. All this arrangement was not done. And one said, "Omo pesika edienti no mo de ahopepreko yi 1.7 million Ghana cedis no." Like I was saying, MP ni a board member of Pesa Contoma Rice Factory ni tumpong, and abamu mpenifo aba so mu behia board no MP no amba odwane wanyu amba eti no one dey bia koso na regarding bopa facilities no kure ni holistically so we contractor na we ye shoddy worker even the work nyame na no cement to sand ratio any ade ade ni nyina ho e kire mo ba ye be ni nyina ho because you know awudi akoso nti kakra na me pese me chipping no odum na ni company na ewo yendi no no koto paddy rice no de be feed akondoma just for political reasons so bi enwu se factory na ye adwuma me de kakra de be to aso me that
ora boy da se na won so dia de buy yes sir
this me akase akontom na ye niema bia mu nya den enna you lack transparency to me born it often nyina can say that is the word. Yes, you lack total transparency. Adie bia ye wa kontom na bia no.
Me braso but mabisa few minutes a mystical show so because we've eaten into his style. Okay. Na yema atiefo so mo 80 wa no pay. Akwanya kakra. Na obu won komo bi o metumi no wadi a. Mpacho yo.
Ko no ati. Untumi radio mti asembi. Meti na makoma ha me
to me radio
to me aha
oh me you see
na first anu ye we ama
aha
akwantomra you also for amuti me proud to the 2020 elections the member of parliament be trans studio we so ha liberty metie bi me di masonwe etie bi ekwana me ni akwantomra na mo yo so me na me director of regional director of elections for NDC 2020 elections hana na me wo categorically we can say ya astrotef e wa kontomra
the park
astrotef
ebi no
e wa kontomra